Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share IBA screening test paper intermediate category held on 25th June 2023 in morning shift. I will share general knowledge portion paper 9. Question number 61. The capital of Maldives is A. Colombo, B. Dhaka, C. Male, D. Thimphu. And the correct answer is C. Male. Question number 62. The old name of Iran was A. Anatolia, B. Persia, C. Rangoon, D. Sarandib. And the correct answer is B. Persia. Question number 63. Which of the following is situated in Punjab? A. Ayubia National Park, B. Changamanga Forest Park, C. Hangol National Park, D. Kirtal National Park. And the correct answer is A and B. Ayubia National Park and Changamanga Forest Park both are situated in Punjab. Question number 64. How many times Nishan-e-Haider has been awarded? And A 7, B 9, C 11, D 13. And the correct answer is C 11. Question number 65. In the south of Bangladesh is A. Bay of Bengal, B. Korea Bay, C. Persian Gulf, D. Gulf of Oman. And the correct answer is A. Bay of Bengal. Question number 66. Which of the following bird is considered a symbol of peace? A. Crow, B. Dove, C. Eagle, D. Parrot. And the correct answer is B. Dove. Question number 67. Chandka is the old name of A. Badin, B. Ladkana, C. Mirpur Khas, D. Sakhar. And the correct answer is B. Ladkana. Number 68. Karakul hat is famous as A. Sayed Cape, B. Jinnah Cape, C. Azad Cape, D. Iqbal Cape. And the correct answer is B. Jinnah Cape. Question number 69. Tomb of Allama Muhammad Iqbal is located in A. Faisal Mosque, Islamabad, B. Badshai Mosque, Lahore, C. Akbari Mosque, Sialkot, D. Markazi Mosque, Multan. And the correct answer is B. Badshai Mosque, Lahore. Question number 70. First Pakistani cricketer man to take 100 wickets in international T20. And the correct A and the options are A. Shadab Khan, B. Umar Gul, C. Shaheen Shah Afridi, D. Muhammad Amir. And the correct answer is A. Shadab Khan. Question number 71. National Highway Sakhar Quetta is also known as A. N35, B. N45, C. N55, D. N65. And the correct answer is D. N65. Question number 72. The head of State Bank of Pakistan is A. Chief Economist, B. Chief Finance Officer, C. Governor, D. President. And the correct answer is C. Governor. Question number 73. Which of following resolution is the preamble of the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan? A. Objective Resolution, B. Pakistan Resolution, C. Kashmir Resolution, D. Capital Resolution. And the correct answer is A. Objective Resolution. Question number 74. World Wildlife Day is celebrated on A. 23rd of January, B. 3rd March, C. 15th May, D. 30th July. And the correct answer is B. 3rd of March. Question number 75. Who composed the national anthem of Pakistan? A. Faiz Ahmad Faiz, B. Hafiz Jalandhari, C. Ahmad Nadeem Qasmi, D. Ehsan Danish. And the correct answer is B. Hafiz Jalandhari. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel for complete video and test preparation. Follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you.